Welcome. I'm Ken Foldis of St. John's University, and my job description is Teacher of the End of History and Kingdom Come Now. We are teaching the complete system of Hegel's philosophical science, or absolute science. That is, the introduction, the science of logic, the science of nature, and the science of spirit, and which will be taught in all the world's schools and universities and will replace, yet preserve, all existing sciences on the planet. The philosophy or science of nature that we will be teaching in this module is the third science of the system. The purpose of these lectures is to provide you with the basic tools that will enable you to understand Hegel's science of nature. There will be 8 lectures with 4 parts to each lecture. Lecture 1, today's lecture, will be an introduction and overview. Lecture 2 will treat mechanics. Lectures 3 and 4, physics, and lectures 5 through 8 will treat organics and the transition to the science of spirit, the idea or concept fully actualized. Today's topics will be 1, the history of philosophy and the genesis of absolute science, what absolute science is and how it works, and the science of nature's place within absolute science. 2, the key to understanding the science of nature, or what exactly happens in the science of nature. And 3, a summary of the contents of the 3 parts of the science of nature: mechanics, physics, and organics. Okay, to begin. Absolute science is simply the science of the absolute, or the absolute's science or knowledge of itself. What is crucial to understand is that there is only one reality, or that reality is absolutely one. Thus, the history of the world and the history of philosophy is nothing but this one reality, the absolute, becoming conscious of itself. And for more on this, you should consult Hegel's History of Philosophy and the Jedi Handbook of Global Education, Part 1.